Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial of Python 3, I'll be telling you what are numbers and what are the types. Let's go back to Google Colab Notebook. So let me show you what we have covered till now. In my previous video, I have talked about comments, how do you write hello world program, variables, how you declare them, what is the correct syntax, how you declare two variables at the same time, how you operate variables and use it with arithmetic operations. Then we have made a program where user put two numbers or make two inputs and our program do add them. Let's talk about numbers now. So numbers are of three types: int, float and complex. So let's take an variable a variable x and assign value 5 to it, and we will then try to print the type of the same integer. Let's take another variable and assign a value 6.0 to it and to and try to print the value of y. It will show us float. Now what is happening is this function print type of y. Let's take another variable z and assign a complex number to it. So complex number is in the form of 6 plus 5j. Now what is j? J is the imaginary part imaginary imaginary sorry if I am mistaken the spelling of imaginary. So it's j is the whatever it is, imaginary part. So j is the imaginary part here, and Python take j only as the imaginary part. So z is a complex number that is in the form of x6 plus 5j, and j is the imaginary part again. Let's try to print the value of the type of z, so it is complex. So now let's say, oh, I know a perfect different word for imaginary. It's fugazi. So you must have seen that movie. It is from that movie, oh, Wolf of Wall Street. Okay, that's a seriously amazing movie. I love that. So now we'll try to perform some different predefined function. In my upcoming videos, I'll tell you how to make your own function and call them and make them do specific tasks. But Python has already have some predefined functions. Let's discuss some of them, a couple of them. The first I'm going to use is ABS function. It returns the absolute value of any integer in it. It will show, look, so it is showing the absolute value of this. If I put a complex number, if you want to know the value, absolute value of 6 plus 5j, then it can do it for you. Here it is. And let's say this is how you call a function. Here the function is abs, parenthesis is telling Python that abs is the function that I want to call, and in this parenthesis you will pass an parameter. Let's discuss another function, that is round function. It will just seriously round function. What round function do, it just round off the number. Let's say we have the number 5.2. If I run this, it is showing there because I don't know the spelling of round. It is not TD. Here 5. If I just to cross check it, it is 6. Okay. Now if you want to round off 5.65698 till the third digit, then you can add a comma and place whatever the digit you want to round off, like after how many decimal place you want to round off the digit. Like I want to do it by 3, and hold shift enter. It will round 3 digits after the decimal point. So what is happening here? Python is getting into this block. It is checking that round is a function, and this is the parameter, this is the argument, and according to these two parameters I have to perform this round function on this value that I have passed. Thank you so much guys for this tutorial. That's it for right now. In the next tutorial I'll tell you that how you can make functions, how you can call them and make them do specific tasks. And once you're done with basic understanding of functions, you'll be able to do object oriented programming as well, because that's the thing that object oriented programming is really revolves around: making objects, making functions to do the specific task and calling them again and again. So do like and subscribe if you feel that the video was informative. And oh, one more tip for you guys: I am right now uploading one video, and after 2 to 4 hours I'll upload the second one also. So you can just in continue of this video, you can just go and see the next video, and that will be seriously much beneficial. And please do practice at home just to get familiar with this concept. Make as much programs as possible and do your best, and who knows who will hire you, maybe Google or Microsoft. All the best guys, and do like and subscribe, share if anyone wants to learn Python.